Okay, quick update. I got Lithium. So I've rewired everything. Here's a better shot of the amps. And I've got the 375 farad Ultracaps, 2 of them. And in the middle, there's 2 20 amp hour Lithium. So that's 40 amp hour and 750 farads of caps. All new twin 2-watt wire everywhere. There's giant solenoid relays to disconnect the caps from the lithium bank. And so I got the main battery still up front. There's still another 30 amp hour up front with the fuses. That'll probably get changed out to a lithium as well. And then there's going to be a 400 amp alternator soon here. So I thought I'd give it some shots here of what this looks like. So there's the 6.5s in the back. You can't see them when everything's put in there. I got the 8s on top of the 12s. They're kind of pushed back there. There's the other 6.5 coax in the back. And come around here, you can kind of see the side of the box here. How everything kind of fits together. So there's a little channel here. So this fits on top of the front ledge. And then it's got a taller leg in the back. So it stands on its own. And then all this gets hidden underneath here. Once we're all done, I'm going to paint this. This will be black before I put it back in. I've got hockey pucks here. 2 hockey pucks on either side to space them out. And there's just enough to keep it from moving. Here's all the speaker wires I need to put in back in once I put it back together. So there's the Big Boss 3 bass. There's the Taramps 4000 by 4 DS 4000 X4. DS 800 X4. DS 440 X4. And then of course the Big Boss 8 bass. Alright, that's a quick update.